Popular games like PUBG Mobile are probably already on your phone. Heck, you may have been playing that just a while back, but there are some new games that may have flown under your radar. So yeah, today we'll check out some awesome new Android games that you can play. Hey guys, I'm Akshay from bbomb.com and today I'm going to tell you about some new Android games that I think are well worth your time. I'm including both action-packed, graphics-intensive games and some cool casual games. Also, all of these games are available on iOS, so if you're using an iPhone, you've got nothing to worry about. Before we get started, how about you hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a new video. Also, this video has been brought to you by Wix.com, which lets you create some stunning websites. I'll talk more about them at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Now then, let's get started. First up, Crossfire Legends. I installed this game because I saw it was from Tencent and I've started loving it. It has an amazing gameplay, and instead of focusing on just Battle Royale as a lot of games do, this one has two other modes as well. There's Team Deathmatch, which is easily my favorite mode, and there's also Demolition mode. You can play online and you can play against bots. There's a Battle Royale mode too for good measure, and honestly it's a lot of fun. But I still prefer PUBG for Battle Royale. The game is free and you should definitely check it out if you're interested in first-person shooter games. Even though there are a number of games with great graphics and all, casual games still have a certain charm in gaming, and Bouncy Break is a really cool new casual game that I would recommend you to check out. The concept is simple. Tap to bounce on the light colored bars and score points. If you land outside of them, it's game over. There are infrequent ads here, but not so many that they get annoying or anything. If you like casual games, try Bouncy Break. You'll love it. Another fun game that I've been playing a lot recently is Stickman Soccer 2018. If you're into playing football games on your Android phone, I'm sure you would have played Stickman Soccer 2016 or something in the past. This new version improves a lot of things, adds better controls, more types of shots and a lot more. All of that completely free. It's a really fun and fast-paced football game that is great to kill some time. Obviously the graphics are decidedly Stickman because duh, but it's just so much fun. I personally love it. Oh, Dragon Ball Legends. This game is amazing. I mean, there's no other way to put it. You fight as real Dragon Ball characters against real Dragon Ball characters in explosive battles with some uber cool effects. There's a single player campaign in the game, but you can battle against real players from around the world as well. The controls are easy to understand and the gameplay is addictive. It's just an awesome game with great fights, amazing effects and it's awesome, okay? Not that I need to convince anyone to try an official Dragon Ball game. Connection is one of the best puzzle games I've played this entire year. It starts off pretty easy, letting you get the hang of the rules of the game, but then it gets really difficult. The game is a lot like Connect the Dots, except the dots are colored and there are some special dots that need to be connected twice and other complications that require some creative thinking at times. Connection finds a very nice balance between making the game difficult, but not so much that people stop playing it. Fans of puzzle games should definitely check it out. Skyress is a really fun, kind of difficult to play game that puts you in the driver's seat of a spaceship as you hurtle through levels filled with obstacles that get increasingly difficult to overcome. The game can honestly get quite a bit difficult, but it's a great one to play during a short break or when you have a couple of minutes where you're bored. I really like it and you should check it out for sure. Horizon is a great casual game from Ketchup. The developer has previously made some really amazing games and Horizon is no different. In this game, you control a spaceship, trying to get it through multiple obstacles, basically trying to stay alive. The game takes some time getting used to, but it will keep you gripped for a long time. It's also very minimally designed and has a soundtrack that gets progressively better. It's one of those games I find myself playing in short breaks at work, which basically means all the time. I don't think Final Fantasy needs introduction to anyone. However, the Pocket Edition of this game released for Android may have gotten lost on some of you guys. Well, this is a game I've wholeheartedly recommended to people multiple times, and that's because it's just such a fun game to play. Even for someone who has never played Final Fantasy in the past, this game is perfect. It's the absolutely perfect combination of open world exploration with easy gameplay and some insanely great fight sequences. The first episode is free, after which you'll have to pay for it, but believe me, the first episode is enough to get you addicted. So check it out right now.
Umbra, bringing us stuff. That oh boy.
A dog can really track his scent. Certainly knows.
As far as car chase simulators go, Parkour used to be one of my favorites, and now with Parkour 2, the game has become even better and more challenging than ever. The game still uses the same low poly graphics, except this time cops are chasing you because you're helping criminals escape. The gameplay is excellent on this, and while the game is easy enough to play, it's difficult to master. Parkour 2 is definitely on the list of my favorite games, and I would recommend you to check it out right now. Another really fun new casual game is Donuts Drift. As the name suggests, you basically have to drift in this game, and come on, who doesn't like that? The game is a simple 2D top-down game, and the controls are easy with left and right taps to drift the car accordingly. You do have to time your drifts perfectly though, because the fuel is running out and you can only get so far. You unlock new cars as you fill up your level meter, and completing objectives rewards you with money that you can use to upgrade your car and hopefully go farther. While all of that is great, the game does have a lot of ads, and they get annoying very quickly. If you can look past that though, it's a great game to play. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor for this video. Wix.com is a great tool to help you make a website for yourself, your business, or anything else. It's 2018 and having a website is important, be it to showcase your work or showcase your small business, or even to showcase your resume or your CV to potential employers like us. I tried out Wix to build my website, and I did a fairly good job in just a few minutes. Wix lets you create different types of websites, like a business website, a website for your online store, photography, music, events, blogs, basically anything. Plus you get so many templates and advanced tools like Wix Videos, Wix Pro Gallery, Wix Bookings, etc. Overall, Wix caters to everyone, be it someone who is creating his first website or a professional website builder. Well, those were 10 cool new Android games that I think you should try. As always, you'll find the links to each one of them in the description below. Anyway, which games are you guys playing these days? Do let us know in the comment section below. Also, give this video a like and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.